Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today is another one of my Thanksgiving dishes. And this is what's jumping in my pot today. The main guest to the Thanksgiving dinner is the turkey. That's what's jumping in the pot today. Now, let's get to it. We're going to do a brine for the turkey. These are the ingredients that I'm going to make the brine with. Orange peel, salt, peppercorn, garlic, bay leaf, rosemary, brown sugar, apple cider, and water. And of course, the main attraction is the turkey. I already washed and cleaned it, and I have it soaking in cold water. This is the brine here. I've already assembled all the ingredients that I showed you into the pot. I've boiled it for about 10 minutes and turned the stove off. And it has to be totally cold before you put the brine on the turkey. So now let's get to it. Now I'm going to show you the brining process of the turkey. Brining is just a fancy term for marinating. So now we're going to pour the brine mixture into the marinade bag. See? Gonna close it up now. You have to put it in the refrigerator for overnight. You keep it in the brine for overnight. You swirl it around in the bag so it all will get through the turkey. This is what you do. There it is. This is the turkey I brined yesterday. Now it's been brining overnight, and I've taken it out and rinsed it in cold water to rinse all the brining off. And I've set it up on a rack and a baking sheet. And this is what we do next. I have orange slices that I cut up, and I'm going to put it in the cavity of the turkey. The next thing is I have a stick of butter, softened butter, with rosemary and thyme, chopped up, fresh rosemary and fresh thyme. This is what we do. We put the butter on the turkey and we rub it all over the turkey. We massage it all over the turkey, all the butter. So it'll keep it moist while cooking. Let's get the other side of it. Let's get up under the skin. Pull it up. Reach under the skin. Okay, the next thing is what we do is we put this in the oven, and you turn your oven on 350 degrees, and this will bake for 2.5 hours. This is our finished turkey. It was in the oven cooking for 2.5 hours at 350 degrees. See, it's a small turkey, so it just needed 2.5 hours. See? If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you in my next video.